Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about what is technical analysis and how can you become a chartered market technician. Let's start with a basic introduction to technical analysis. Technical analysis is a discipline employed in freely traded markets to predict the probable future price movements of a security based on the historical data of price and volume. The intent is to identify the trends at an early stage and capitalize on those trends until the weight of the evidence suggests that the trend has reversed. The theory of technical analysis is based on three assumptions: market discounts everything, prices move and trends, and history repeats itself. Market discounts everything is probably the most important assumption behind the theory of technical analysis. It asserts that anything that can affect the market, fundamentally, politically, psychologically, or otherwise, is represented in the price of that market. All that is required is a study of price action. Everything is reflected in the price action, whether an insider is buying the stock or an institution offloading its stake, a beneficial policy or building up of political tension. The chartists are aware that markets rise and fall for various causes. They just do not believe that knowing the reasons for these factors is vital for forecasting. One of the major assumptions of technical analysis is that prices move in trends and are non-random. The technical analysis aims to identify the trend early and capitalize on it as long as possible. Another fundamental assumption of technical analysis is that investor behavior tends to repeat itself over time. Market psychology, which tends to be reasonably predictable based on emotions like fear or excitement, is sometimes blamed for the repeated nature of price fluctuations. This tendency of humans to act in a certain way repeatedly appears on the price charts in the form of patterns and price movements. These pictures reveal the bullish or bearish psychology of the market. For example, the formation of a head and shoulder pattern is the result of particular human psychology, and each time this pattern is formed, the end result is also similar. Because these patterns have previously proven to be effective, it is presumed that they will continue to do so in the future. They are based on a study of human psychology that does not alter throughout time. But is technical analysis useful for you? Well, the discipline of technical analysis is useful for almost everyone in the financial markets. It is used by banks, corporations, asset managers, analysts, traders, portfolio managers, economists, and even by CEOs and CFOs to study the long-term economic cycles. So coming to the part, how can you master technical analysis? You can become a chartered market technician by enrolling in the CMT program offered by the CMT Association. CMT Association was incorporated in 1973 as a not-for-profit association, and in the 1980s, the organization authorized a certification program and began developing and administering exams. The program requires a candidate to clear 3 levels of CMT exams and gain 3 years of relevant experience to be certified as a chartered market technician. In 2005, CMT Level 1 exam and CMT Level 2 exams were accepted as an alternative to Financial Analyst Series 86 exam required. For over 50 years, the association has been dedicated to advancing the discipline of technical analysis and the work of technical analysts worldwide through credentialing, ethics, education, and advocacy. To know more about Chartered Market Technician and CMT Association, you can refer to the link below. That's all from my side. I hope the video gave you a brief about the technical analysis and the CMT Association. Thank you for watching.